Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung 6.0 COOFORT Smart Dial Front Load Washer. This incredible machine allows you to wash two separate clothing loads at the same time, with different cycles and settings, all in one large capacity machine. But that's not all. Samsung's AI-powered Smart Dial learns and recommends your favorite wash cycles, sets the right dryer cycle based on your wash cycle, and even allows you to customize the cycle list. And if you're in a rush, no problem. With super speed washing, you can wash a full load in just 28 minutes. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely start or stop your wash, and schedule cycles all from your smartphone. The power of steam also allows you to gently remove stains without any time-consuming pretreatments. And with a large 5.0 cubic feet capacity bottom washer and a dedicated 1.0 cubic feet capacity top washer, you'll be able to fit more clothing for fewer loads. So if you're tired of spending hours in the laundry room, this machine is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your laundry game. Check out the link in the description to get your own Samsung 6.0 COOFORT Smart Dial Front Load Washer today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.